Hi, my name is Yves Cuaton, and today we're going to be talking about impression scanning with your FastScan.io intraoral scanner. Now, impression scanning is typically going to be used in situations where you might be having a hard time capturing vital information with your intraoral scanner, such as subgingival margins, or if you're working with a really wet field to scan. So taking a physical impression might be your best option at that point. So this would actually allow you to be able to extract that information digitally from the physical impression that you just took. So in this video, I am going to be scanning a combination of a typodon and an impression. So this first part, I am scanning the opposing information. Okay, once I have established the opposing information, I am now going to move on to the prep arch. Now, we're pretending here that the patient was a heavy bleeder, so I could not scan it intraorally. So the doctor or the clinician would actually take a physical impression. To activate impression scanning, we're going to need to press this icon at the bottom of your screen that looks like an impression tray, and that would activate the impression scanning function. And then this is where I proceed to scan the actual impression. So right now I'm scanning a negative image, making sure to capture the vital information such as margins and interproximal contacts, especially if you're working on a crown and bridge situation. You'll see here, as soon as I'm done, I evaluate and I will see a little hole on the contact area of the mesial tooth. So I actually just go ahead and turn the scanner on again and capture that area. The wonderful thing about impression scanning is right now you can see that this is a negative image, but as soon as I turn off the impression scan button, you'll see that the software automatically converts the image into a positive image, meaning it's a model now as opposed to an impression. So now here, you're seeing the opposing and the prep arch, and you can scan the bite intraorally even though the prep arch was actually extracted from an impression. Another situation where you'd be able to use the impression scanning is if you take a triple tray impression. Maybe your patient is in a hurry to leave and you're still waiting for your intraoral scanner to free up. If they really have to leave, just take a quick physical impression using a triple tray, therefore capturing all the necessary information, upper, lower, as well as the bite. Send your patient on the way, and then once your scanner is good to go, you could just scan both the upper and lower information off of the triple tray and also extract the bite from that same impression. Let me show you how that would go. Okay, so let's start here. I have my prep arch information, and now I'm going to also extract the opposing dentition information from the same triple tray. So again, I turned on the impression scan button. I'm scanning all the pertinent information that I will need. Now, at this point, you might be wondering, it's easy to scan the upper and the lower, but how would you extract the bite from that triple tray impression? And this is where the magic happens. So once you've scanned the impression of your upper as well as your lower, when you get to the bite stage, the button at the bottom, which used to be the impression scanning button, has been replaced now with the bite impression scan button. So you activate that to take the bite, And you essentially scan the occlusal surface on either one of the arches. Once the computer has recognized that side, slowly go over the edge and head towards the opposite side. And then once you've scanned the occlusal information of the opposite side and your impression scan is turned green, then that's how you know that your bite has stitched properly. You could take the extra step of cleaning up the information of the bite tray from there by using your trimming tools, just so you'd have a good visualization of the actual bite and be able to evaluate whether the bite is accurate or not. And you can even use the occlusion analysis tool to evaluate the accuracy of your bite, even if it was extracted from a triple tray impression.